I'd just like to play you the beginning of this. This is one of the ident clocks, of course, which was a physical clock in the studio back in those days. And just to take you back to 1969, I think this is the voice of Barry Took.
It is, in fact, Terry Gilliam. He did the animation, the beginning, the titles, bits later on.
Then you get the tone for 10 seconds. He's just must have been doing a warm-up.
Barry was doing a lot of the warm-ups.
Yeah, but I think that sounded like him there. But you get that bit of chatter occasionally, so it'd be nice to include those because they've never been on the release before.
Yeah. You hear the sound of the money being paid to the audience to laugh.
Monty Python's Flying Circus.
Oh, without all the dirt. It looks foreign to me. It's not filthy. Wow. Oh. Beautiful. Oh God, look at this.
Now this is a classic. I love this sequence with the pram and everything.
It really looks like what I did. This is fantastic.
Because what's interesting, you actually remade this sequence in *35 for the feature film, didn't you? But it's a slightly different background. It's a different. Luckily enough, obviously we have the 16mm negative on this one. So this is the original one that you did for the BBC programme.
Oh, look at the colours, everything.
It's just night and day, isn't it?
Yeah. Even my hand looked clean.
And then when you get to something like that with your
Jesus. That's amazing. Beautiful. You can see this will show how drab the rest of the shows were. All the live action stuff is drab compared to this.
So what happens here? You're merrily going along. Just before this chap's head opens up, there's a film density change there, and unfortunately, all the detail goes into clippers on the telecine. So you've suddenly lost all this information here. It's all burnt out. And and that's not what you intended.
No. But
so this is now what we've got going back into this.
So we were clearly. Oh, look at that! That's incredible.
That is the new transfer, and
it's the nude version. it's clean.
It's high definition. It's a lot clearer. Now, when you get this chap's head opening up, there's no change.
That's incredible.
There's no change. So we've got this studio sequence here. It goes to an external shot like this of these people in the street, and then it goes to your animation. This is the transition as it was. Right. So
and then we do color change.
Yeah, you've got a colour change, density change. You've got a rather awful
it's a little
splice jump. A jump and everything else. We don't have. I've graded off tape for this first part of the sequence, and then for the second part we had a print. Luckily. The actual studio I've matched in a bit better as well.
So this is a studio.
That's studio on tape, which originally
looks great.
Originally it looked a little bit green, a little bit, and it went to a slightly warm sequence outside.
Exactly.
So the colour of their overalls are changing. Now I've attempted to warm that up a little bit and match that so that it's roughly the same.
Nice.
The only thing changing now is Eric Idle's length of his hair has grown about 6 inches on the, which was shot previously, of course. So now you've got the you've got that shot. All the people in the street. It goes along.
Eric's sort of transitional. He's going from man to woman in that one cut. It's excellent. Look
so it pans around slowly. It widens out to the big shot, and then this is now how it looks going into your animation sequence. That's the transition.
Oh Jesus, it's clean. All the lucky people who are getting their big HD TV sets now will be able to experience Python as never before. They're the lucky ones. The kids. The adults have been living with crap for years. Look at that. Things like this will be much better.
One day, he discovered a spot on his face. Foolishly, he ignored it. And 3 years later, he died of cancer.